Be ready, start. A learned division bench of this court, while hearing the above petitions, doubted the correctness of the view taken in Oil and Natural Gas Commission, Karmachari Sanghatna versus Ministry of Petroleum and others in writ petition number 1785 of 1997, and also found other contentions urged before it were of great importance and arose in a number of matters, and accordingly referred these matters for consideration to a larger bench. The questions of law formulated and referred for our consideration are as under: para, whether the ratio of the judgment of the Supreme Court in Automobile Products of India Employees Union versus Association of Engineering Workers Bombay and others 1990 to CLR 344 SC, and the judgment of the division bench of this court in Association of Engineering Workers versus Dockyard Labor Union and others 1993 1 CLR 637, and the judgment of the division bench of this court in Association of Engineering Workers versus Dockyard Labor Union 1992 second CLR 382 applies to the verification of membership of union in establishment governed by the Code of Discipline, and whether it applies only to cases under the Maharashtra Recognition of Trade Unions and Prevention of Unfair Labor Practice Act. Para, whether the method of secret ballot to ascertain majority is derogatory to the Code of Discipline. Para, whether the judgment of the division bench of this court in Oil and Natural Gas Commission Karmachari Sanghatna versus Ministry of Petroleum and others in writ petition number 1785 of 1997 was correctly decided. Para, whether the method of secret ballot to ascertain majority of membership would in the facts of this case be arbitrary. Para, the petitioner in writ petition number 2544 of 2004 is a trade union registered under the Trade Union Act 1926 and presently is the sole recognized trade union for the ground category staff employed with Air India, which claims membership of more than 10,000 or over 70% of the total employees. It has its registered office at Santa Cruz, Mumbai. They have filed the petition to challenge the decision of respondent number 2 to hold the elections by secret ballot to verify the membership of the technical and non-technical ground category staff in Air India. The petitioner opposed the holding of a secret ballot for the purpose of verification of the membership, being contrary to the Code of Discipline governing the industry. Para, the petitioner in writ petition number 1452 of 2005 is also a trade union registered under the Trade Union Act. The petitioner earlier was the only union representing the employees employed in Air India as well as Indian Airlines. They continue to represent employee employed in the said two undertakings even as of now. They contend that they, along with the Air India Employees Union and Air India Employees Guild, represent all categories of employee employed by respondent number 1. Apart from them, there are other unions which represent different categories in various trades. Though initially they had agreed to participate in the secret ballot, they protested on the non-inclusion of their names on the ballot paper by the present petition. However, they are impugning the notification of 24th March 2005 directing holding of secret ballot for verification of the membership of the union representing the ground staff of Air India. Para, the Chief Labour Commissioner Central New Delhi had informed the Regional Labour Commissioner Central Mumbai that the ministry had decided to undertake verification of membership of unions operating in Air India. The regional commissioner was called upon to undertake verification of membership of unions operating in Air India and provide, amongst others, consent of the management and all the unions concerned for holding secret ballot for the purpose. Stop.